Hi, buddies, little buddies. How are you all? I'm back with another story. Okay, this is your Rory from Rory's Stories. Roar! Little buddies, today's story is about Ramu and Shamu. Their friendship was very thick. They were very close friends. Shall we get into the story? Here we go. Once upon a time, in a small village lived Ramu and Shamu. Ramu and Shamu were very thick friends. They were eating together. They would go out together. They studied together. They did everything together. They almost even wore the same identical colors in their clothes that they wore. That's how much they liked each other. So both of them together one day decided to go to the forest. There was a nearby forest. They said, let's go in and see. Let's see what all we can find there. What animals and what birds we can find there. Shall we? Both of them said, okay. And they both agreed to stay together, and they both would take care of each other's backs, as they say. That is, Ramu would take care of Shamu and Shamu would take care of Ramu. Both of them kept going into the forest. Not very long till they came to a very thick place, a jungle with a lot of trees, with a lot of plants, with a lot of birds chirping. And suddenly they heard a growling noise from the bushes. This growl was getting louder and louder and louder. Ramu and Shamu were getting a little alerted. They were getting a little uneasy. Suddenly out of the bushes came a big bear. Ramu and Shamu said, hey, let's just go apart. Let's go apart. You run this side, I'll run the other side. We need to safeguard ourselves. If we run together, we will be an easy target for the bear. Saying so, Ramu and Shamu began to run. They both were running. Finally, they couldn't outrun the bear. The bear was very close. Suddenly, Ramu found a tree close by and he started climbing up the tree. Shamu said, Ramu, if you climb the tree, I cannot climb along with you, Ramu. To which Ramu said, Shamu, you just try, you'll get it. But Ramu was so quick to talk and so quick to climb up the tree, and Shamu was left alone down. Ramu was smart enough to climb the tree, while Shamu didn't know how to climb the tree, so he had to do something about the bear and his situation. He knew if he were going to stand there, then he would be eaten alive by the bear. Suddenly, Shamu came up with an idea. Shamu had learned this in school. He knew that bears would not touch anything that were not alive. They would just come and sniff and go. He faintly remembered this. So he suddenly did one thing. He just played dead. He fell down and he acted like he was dead. He just stopped breathing. He held his breath for some time. Then the bear came close to Shamu and it stiffed him from top to bottom, from his head to his feet. And there was something that was happening. Ramu was up the tree. He was just looking at Shamu helplessly. At the same time, he just made sure that he was safe. But Shamu was left to the mercy of the bear. The bear sniffed everywhere and then whispered something into the ear of Shamu. And then slowly the bear turned and left. After some time, Shamu opened his eyes to see if the bear was around. The bear wasn't there. He slowly got up and looked around and he made sure that the bear wasn't there anywhere close. And he got up and he looked at Ramu. Ramu looked at Shamu, and then Ramu said, hey, wait, Shamu, I'm coming down. He came down and he said, Shamu, I want to know something. When I was up on the tree, you played dead. That was a brilliant idea, great. But I remember the bear telling something in your ears. Shamu sarcastically looked at him and smiled and said, you know what the bear told me? He told me to not trust people like you. To which Ramu put his head down in shame. Friends, dear little buddy, do you know what the story tells us today very clearly? It tells us that we need to pick our friends carefully. We don't pick friends who love us for what we have. We need to be friendly with those who love us for who we are. Friendship means a lot. The moral of today's story is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Let me repeat. A friend in need is a friend indeed. It's a nice story, isn't it, dear buddies? Little buddies, you like this story? Ramu and Shamu? Yes. Okay then, I will meet you in the next video with a lovely story again. Hope you're enjoying and learning a lot of life lessons from these stories. Dear little buddies, if you like this video and you want to subscribe to my channel, you need to click here. And if you want to see my latest story where I've shared about Venki, the cap seller, you need to click here. Okay friends, we all had a great time. I'm going to sign off now, and it's your Rory telling you Rory stories. Love you all. See you in the next video. Rory.